Well, it's a beautiful day outside, but wanted to do a brief chat with you all. This is we did a video on this place. We just got this place not too long ago from a folks who were here 10 years. So it's going to require a little bit of work. It's not a lot, but it kind of needs to be overhauled. And if you are going to be someone who is involved in rental property, you're going to have to figure out if you are going to do this work or if someone else is going to do it. Now, I do it sometimes, and sometimes I don't do it. That's the way that it comes out. But there's fans that have to be hung, there are blinds that have to be hung, there's new carpeting that has to be put in. You can see that we've pretty much got this painted. We still got some work to do. Unfortunately, we got the carpet in before we could get to the baseboards. That's going to slow us down. That's a mistake on our part. And you got to clean the bathroom. That's generally not a fun thing to do. Or you got to hire somebody to do it. So if you're going to be doing it, that's cool. You got to know how long it takes you to do it. If it's going to take you numerous hours to get this done, and you make, $35 an hour as an accountant, then it's not going to work for you. It's not going to be worth your time. You have to look at the opportunity cost associated with doing something like this. On the other side of the coin, when you do something like this, you learn what's involved in doing it. So when you hire someone to do it, you know what they're going to be up against and the time frame that it's going to take them to do it. Generally, they're going to do a better job of it than you are. I know that's the case with me. Maybe you're a great handyman and it'll work out perfect for you. But in this case, one of our crews that normally help us, busy doing something else. The tenant that we got is not quite ready to move yet. So this gave us an opportunity to come in here, and we're working our way through, but it's going to take me probably 5 to 6 days of my work. And I did hire out the carpet to be put in. We are hiring out granite countertops to be put in, and we are having the stainless steel appliances delivered. So there's a lot of work involved, and you need to figure out whether you're going to be doing the work or whether someone you trust is going to be doing the work. And again, one of the things about having done it yourself, you know what's involved, you know the time, and you may know a little bit more about what is a fair price to do this. So for me, hey, it's not football season, or I definitely would have found somebody to do it. But anyway, that's something to think about when you're acquiring your first property. You need to have a plan on how things are going to get tackled. What things you might be able to do, what things you can't do, what you've got to hire out, how much you're going to pay to have it hired, and a time frame for the job to be completed. Time is money, as you know. So this is very important for you to consider. It's not just buying a property and, sitting there watching it rent. There's a lot that goes involved, and you need to think about all this as you're thinking about acquiring a property. But it is interesting, and I tell you what, the closer you get to getting done with it, the easier it is, and it really is a good feeling when you're done, and it looks good. And we'll do a video when we get completed, and let you all see what it looks like. But just wanted to give you kind of a rundown that if you're getting involved in this, definitely something you've got to think about: the parts, the paint, the time, the know-how, and if you're going to get somebody else, what you're going to pay them, their time frame, and so forth. All has to be factored in. Okay, have a great day, everybody.